Good morning to all my dear students. This is our English class and I am Krishna Yadav. So here it is our poem first, Palanquin Bearers by Sarojini Naidu. First I would like to introduce Sarojini Naidu, who lived between 1879 to 1949. I am sure you have heard about Sarojini Naidu. She is known as the Nightingale of India. Her poems describe the beauty of nature and the details of everyday life. She was actively involved in the Indian independence movement, and she was also the first woman governor in India from 1947 to 1949. Her poems reflect her love for Indian customs and traditions and celebrate the joy of life. In the starting, we will discuss about the word palanquin. Palanquin means a covered carriage. In the bygone era, when there were no motor cars, people used to travel either by walking or riding on the horse or the carts. The kings, queens, and the nobles rode horses or elephants to travel long distances. On the occasion of marriage, the brides and the bridegrooms were carried in a beautiful palanquin by the palanquin bearers. And there is a custom of carrying a bride in a palanquin by the palanquin bearers, and the poem Palanquin Bearer is so finely woven around the custom. In other words, I can say that there is a palanquin. Palanquin means we can also say it palki. You can see in the old pictures, old movies, that there is a palki or there is a palanquin who is picking up by the palanquin bearers. Here is a poem. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. In the first stanza, you can see the rhyme scheme. Last word of each line: along, song, stream, and dream. So we can say that the rhyme scheme is A, B, B, because the pronunciation of last two words, along and song, is the same. So we have to give it A. And in the third and fourth line there is a stream and dream, so we will give it BB. So the complete rhyme scheme is A, B. In the next stanza you can also see sing and string, also A, along and song, also BB. And in the last stanza, tide and bride, also same, and the sing and string, also same is B. So the complete rhyme scheme is A, B. So the poem Palanquin Bearers, written by Sarojini Naidu, and the rhyme scheme is A, B. So come to the first pair. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Now I would like to explain in some Hindi explanation that the first line, जो first line है आपकी lightly or lightly, it's also called about the palanquin bearers. These lines are saying by palanquin bearers. Bearers means उठाना, कि जो palanquin को उठा के चल रहे हैं वो palanquin bearers बोलते हैं कि we glide and we sing. We have carrying the bride and we started to sing. हम धीरे धीरे गाते हुए उस bride को, उस दुल्हन को लेके चलते हैं. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. हम उसे एक धागे में मोती की तरह ले जाते हैं. It means the bride is for us like a pearl and the palanquin is like a thread. तो हमारे लिए palanquin bearers के लिए वो bride किस तरह से है? There is a pearl like in a string. There is the next two lines. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. इट मीन्स वह लहर की तरह, एक किरण की तरह उछलती है. लहर की जो चोटी, देयर इज अ टाइड ना, द वेव्स ऑफ द सी, वह लहर की चोटी पर एक किरण की तरह उछलती है. इट मीन्स शी इज जस्ट लाइक अ बीम ऑन द ब्रो ऑफ द टाइड. देयर इज अ हाई टाइड्स बट शी इज जस्ट लाइक अ बीम. शी फॉल्स लाइक अ टीयर फ्रॉम द आईज ऑफ अ ब्राइड. वह एक आंसू की तरह दुल्हन की आंखों से गिरती है. बिकॉज व्हेन ब्राइड goes to her in-laws house, she was happy, also she was very sad. So she is just like the tears which is growing down from her eyes. Next lines. Softly, oh softly we bear her along. धीरे धीरे से हम उसे लेके जाते हैं. We are bearing her so softly because the bride is just like a pearl. She hangs like a star in the dew of a song. वह हमारे गीत के ओस में एक तारे की तरह दिखती है. She is just looking like a star, a shining star, and she is also a shining star in the dew of our songs. So this is all about the expression of palanquin bearers. ये सब कुछ बातें जो palanquin bearers को, जो palanquin को लेके जा रहे थे, जो bearers थे, वो कह रहे हैं. It's all about the bride. Gaily, oh gaily we glide and we sing. आनंद के साथ हम धीरे धीरे. Gaily means full of happiness. They were very happy by carrying the bride in palanquin, and they also said that आनंद के साथ हम धीरे धीरे बहते हैं और हम गाते हैं. It means we are carrying her very softly and we are started to sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. This is a revised line. We have also read about this line. She is also like a pearl in a thread of the palanquin. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. It means there is a stream of the road. There is a stream on the road, but she also floating like a bird. जैसे आपने देखा होगा नदी में कई बार आप कुछ चीज़ फेंकते हो. It skims on the waves of the river. So just like as it is, जो ब्राइड है वो भी बिल्कुल सॉफ्टली उस पैलेंक्विन में बैठ के अपने इन लॉज के घर जा रही है. शी फ्लोट्स लाइक अ लाफ फ्रॉम द लिप्स ऑफ अ ड्रीम. वह एक सपने के होठों से निकली हंसी की तरह तैरती है. इट मीन्स शी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी. शी वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी बाई गोइंग टू हर इन लॉज हाउस, बट rather than she is also about said this. Lightly, oh lightly we bear her along. धीरे धीरे से हम उसे उठा के चलते हैं. Because for the palanquin bearers it is a normal work, but they always feel very pride, very gaily whenever they carry a bride in a palanquin. So they are saying that धीरे धीरे हम उसे उठा के चलते हैं. The palanquin bearers bared the palanquin on their shoulders. She sways like a flower in the wind of a song. कि वो हमारे गानों में, हमारे गीतों में हवा में एक फूल की तरह डोलती है. She is very lightly sways like a flower in the wind of our song. Lightly, oh lightly we glide and sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So it's all about the poem Palanquin Bearers. It is a very great poem by Sarojini Naidu. I hope you will all understand